Ooh, it's hot in here, man. What's up, guys? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna do a very simple but feel good kind of makeup, at least for myself, since it's the RMO, MCO, whatever you want to call it, and we can't go out, so and I miss wearing my makeup, all my palettes that I haven't been using. So yes, but there's something different about this video because I will have a friend do my voiceover, because why the hell not, right? I mean, let's see how that goes. We thought it'd be fun, something to entertain ourselves during this lockdown. Hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe and leave a comment or something, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, Google, play music.
Okay, let's start up this makeup tutorial. We have a music on. Sounds like porn intro. Okay, never mind. Let's brush. It looks like chest hair. Okay, never mind. Brush. You brush it up to the direction of this Mickey ear. Yes, the Mickey ear. Look, no more chest hair. Okay, brush up to this Mickey ear, so I know where to. That's why I'm wearing this Mickey ear. Okay, now let's paint around it so that my eyebrow pops out. Putting up clay around my eyes. So yes, putting up clay around my eyes, nice and thick, right, so that the eyebrows can pop. Even it out with this brush so that people wouldn't know that it's clay. Okay, now my eyes looks more like eyebrows and not like chest hair. So then we add a bit of a color to this eyebrow, a bit of a black. We use this sharpie little thing. Okay, now we put this questionable white liquid on my face so that it moisturizes my eyes, so it's nice. Okay, next we use this thing which smile. Okay, so now we put this white thing on my eye so that it becomes a bit more fair, does not match my skin. Dark face. Okay, now let's put this yellow on. Right, because in college we always use this yellow highlighter for us to memorize things, and I want people to memorize my eyes when they see me. Spread it out, put like a nice M shape on my eyes, looks like McDonald's. Okay, now the logic way to do next is putting this pinkish color thing under the yellow thing, because that's the way to go. So at least now the yellow matches my earrings, while this pink thing makes it a bit reddish, so it matches my top. Okay, we use this brush to try and even out the colors. Nice. And then this side, we put a bit of a white, so it highlights back the eyebrow. Okay, now, not enough red. Let's put this a bit darker. Yes, dark. Okay, let's even it out so that my eyes look like a geisha. I mean, that's the look that we want to go with, so that my eyes look like geisha, so people can memorize my eyes, not this side. Okay, now let's put a bit of war paint, a bit of Adidas here. Okay, to even out the colors with this expensive brush. Nice. Very expensive brush here. Okay, so next we put a bit of a fairness down there so that my skin matches my eyes. Now we use a bit of a pencil to make it sharp. We use a bit of a brush to make it white and spread it out, and then now we use a bit of a white to make my eyes look glittery, shimmery effect. Again, making now eye color. How we make our eyelash. Ooh, squish duck face. Okay, then I use this brush to make my chin look flatter. Brush. Okay, now the best thing is 24 karat gold. In order to make myself look expensive, let's touch up the gold there and there and yes, there. Now I'm gold. Okay, blush it up a bit so I'm gold and nice. Lipstick, red lipstick, no. Maroon lipstick, no. This exact color that looks like my lips. Yes. Let's put this lipstick. May not be enough. Let's put some shine into it. Okay, I'm quite good. Now I look very matchy with my top. Let's give it a bit of a preview. Put my face ke sana, ke sini, ke sana. How do you like my makeup, girls? Thank you.
Alright, so this is the end product. I hope that voiceover was entertaining. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed doing this makeup. It has been so long since I put on makeup and it feels so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you want me to do any other looks. I will try to film them and see what happens. But see you in the next video.